Welcome to Experiential Education at George Brown College. Together, we're helping our students and alumni thrive in their profession. Our students learn by applying theory to practice. Our students experience sector-specific, hands-on skill development. And our students excel in their careers because of it. Experiential education provides our students with opportunities to develop workplace-ready skills and get meaningful access to industry through work-integrated learning, industry projects, teaching labs, research projects, interactive simulations, and CAPSTONE projects. And it keeps getting better. This is Experiential Education at George Brown College, where the future of work meets the future of education.